Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this song is gonna be a little rough draft until I keep getting it. So you're gonna hear multiple versions of this because it's always gonna change. And this is about how music saved my life. And I know you probably do it for same for you as well. You gonna look something like this. Say music saved my life. Oh yeah. Say music saved my life. Oh yeah. Say music saved my life. Alright. Say music saved my life. Okay. I remember back up in the day, the people were messing with me. They said I would never be anything. They said I'm over there doing so bad, I will never make it in the world. So people's over there just keep messing with me, But music saved my life. Oh yeah, say music saved my life. Alright, say music saved my life. Oh yeah, say music saved my life. Oh yeah, I was over there just fighting for the country. People was bumming me. The people's over there just doing their thing. They's trying to fuss at me. They yelling, streamers over there today while the bums just falling to me. Saying I'm over here just looking at the things I want to say away. So I started to listen to my music cause it's for my soul. There's soul over here for me today saying yes I want to go. Say if it is my time of today I'm vibing it out. Say I'm gonna listen to my music and then I'm going to shout. Talking about hey, say music saved my life, I say right now. Say music over here saying yes it's going down. Say the music over here, that music for my soul. Say yes, I'm talking about the music, save my soul. Say music, save my life. Alright. Say music, save my life. Alright. Say music, save my life. Okay, say music saved my life. Alright, say all my friends and family over there fussing and fighting. They over there fighting, fussing about anything. It looked like things gonna get so bad, so I had to do something. So I started go play that music song, that sing. Said music in the soul. Said people want to dance. So now they over here stop fussing right now, here right now. But still that music here for the soul I stand is where we go. Say music, say that life when I say all night. Say music, say my life. Music, say my life. Say 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 music, say my life. Some music save my life. A remix, ayy. Say the music over here saying yes, that music is Say that I'm over here just doing my thing, just getting on up. That music saved my life, and I know it saved you, cause I know it's still so good. It's good for your soul like it's good for me. Oh yes, I understood. Understand that music good for me, so I'm gonna listen to it. Some people talking about, oh yes, I'm over here. Oh yes, I'm vibing with it. You can listen to that R&B, and you can listen to country, then hip hop, rock and roll to over here. Oh yes, we talking on it. You can listen to that gospel song if that's just what you like. Some people's over here today, they're over there. Oh yes, they feel alright. You can listen to the jazz over there. You can also listen to that classical to over there. Yes, oh yes, I'm rocking with you. That rock and roll, and the hip hop. People wanna get on down. Say yes, that music is for your soul. Everybody, let's get on round. Just coming up and showing some love. Got the music for your soul. Saying yes, I'm over here today. Oh yes, I want to go. Talking about sending music saved my life, and yes, it will save you. Say do you know the people? Do you know just what I do? Say the music over here, I know it's good for my soul. So let's go back to the original version. Yes, I want to say music saved my life. Oh yeah, say music saved my life. Alright, say music saved my life. Okay, say music saved my life. Alright, say music saved my life. Oh yeah, say music saved my life. Okay, say music saved my life. Okay, say music saved my life. Oh yeah. Peace.